Today we are going to be doing a video on pulling my headlights out, taking the halos that I'm using for turn signals out, replacing those with a different system, and also putting some new lenses in my headlights, or on my headlights, I guess. So yeah, hopefully it's not too difficult. Hopefully the lenses actually fit because it's a totally different thing. Yeah, hopefully they fit just like the OEM lenses would. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So I have this kind of all wired up. As you guys can see, it's apart. I have to clean out the inside here. It's all full of dirt. But I went ahead and put the LED strips all the way in. So when we do that, it's like a nice sequential pattern all the way through. And yeah, pretty cool. Okay guys, so I got everything all finished up. The last headlight is actually just kind of curing. The butyl tape is still super hot, so letting that cool off for a little bit. And I'm gonna start putting in this headlight, and then once that one's done, we'll throw that one in as well. Ay caramba, guys! We have it all put back together. It looks like I have brand new headlights, and I'm super pumped on it.